Still warm across the valley, 87 right now in McAllen, where it hit 104 this afternoon. That was a record. Westlake got a record at 100. It's in the 80s all across the valley right now. And look at the dew points. I mean, we're talking 73 out west, almost 80 along the coast. Very humid weather across the valley. We're way up on the muggy meter. This is an average, and those 79s are pegging the needle. Rarely does the dew point go 80 or above. It's exceptionally rare. So after the drier heat yesterday, the humidity is back, maybe with us for a while. Big time storms tonight firing up out in southwest Texas. San Angelo had some very gusty winds. This is along our cool front that's pushing southward slowly but surely. The front will die before it gets here, kind of right as it gets here. At the same time, we're feeding an awful lot of moisture in. Even though the tropics are quiet, we have the remnants of what once was Tropical Storm Brett way down here, and the northern fringe of that moisture is going to kind of sneak up into South Texas. And the combination of that front and that moisture really going to increase our rain chances. A little bit tomorrow, scattered showers, maybe a thunder shower tomorrow, better chance on Sunday, and then the chance just stays with us Monday and Tuesday and Wednesday. We don't see a completely rain-free day now for probably the next 7 at least. Now that doesn't mean you're going to get rained on every day, but there'll be rain somewhere in the valley, and maybe 1 or 2 of those days you'll happen to have some at your house, but at least the chance shows up in the forecast tomorrow at about 20% and then goes up from there and goes all the way into the end of next week. You see, this just keeps on going into Friday. Shower's still a possibility. So 20%, and then we hold it 50% through Tuesday, and then we come back down, but never push it completely out of the forecast. So after a week of just very, very hot, very, very dry weather, we have a change that brings at least a shot at some rain. And again, you're not going to get rained on every day. There'll be days when you see it off in the distance, but you'll get rain on at least one of the days, we hope. Look how that cools temperatures off. Instead of being average or above, we're actually below average for most of the forecast period, at least for the next 7 days. Travel plans tomorrow start in San Antonio, 79 degrees in the morning. Houston's got showers and thunderstorms in the area at 81. We start partly cloudy, but by the afternoon, scattered showers around the region. Temperatures in the 90s across the valley, 87 in the afternoon in San Antonio. Dallas cooler. Feel the impact of that front at 78. So our low tonight about 80 degrees, warm and humid. Clouds show up later on. And then tomorrow it's a mix of clouds and sunshine with spotty showers around the area. Your high temperature tomorrow back up to 96, but only 96. 94, 91 into Monday, and then we hold in the low to mid 90s through the forecast period. Notice that every day there's at least the chance for a shower, maybe even a thunderstorm. That is your updated First One 5 forecast.